At Wolverine Glass, we want to help keep your shower door looking as good and performing as well as the day it was first installed. Our technicians are ready to support you with adjustments, repairs, and any other maintenance needs for your shower door. In this video, we'll discuss how to fix the loose shower door handle. It's important to fix a loose shower door handle early so that it does not lead to damage that cannot so easily be fixed. A loose handle can wear, making it unfixable and needing to be replaced completely. The handle could also move around, causing scratches on your glass. Now in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can correct the loose door handle. So what we have here, I've got a door handle that is off of the glass, so that it makes it a little bit easier for us to see. First thing you need are a couple of tools. You need a Phillips head screwdriver and an Allen key, because the most likely cause for a loose door handle is one of the two sets of screws has become loose. So where are those two sets of screws? First is there's a set of screws that holds a post that we'll see here in a little bit once we remove one side of the handles. That is both on both ends of that handle. And then the other set is a set of set screws that hold one of the handles onto that post. So the first thing we'll do is we'll remove the handle by loosening these set screws. This is where your Allen key comes into play. You will just simply loosen it by unscrewing it. You want to be careful that you don't scratch your glass with your Allen key. So you want to use a little bit of patience. You want to be careful that you don't strip out the inside of that set screw either. So there's two of them, one on each side. Unscrew the other side. Once again, all you need to do is loosen it. These are very small set screws. If you take it all the way out, you have a good likelihood of dropping it on the floor and losing it. So we can take that off, and then we're going to see the second set of screws here. These screws are hold the post in place, and if they become loose, then they can cause the whole handle to be loose. So they can be tightened with a Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm going to tighten it so it's snug. I would use a hand screwdriver, not a drill or a driver, because you could scratch the glass, you could strip the screws. Just a regular old hand screwdriver will work. That'll tighten up that post. Next, you will then slide your handle back on, and you want to tighten those set screws back in place. Once again, being careful not to scratch glass, which might mean to take a little bit more patience and time with it, because to tighten it, maybe you want to use the long end, get a little bit more leverage, but that's going to hit your glass if you had it too close to it. Tighten up the other side. And that should have a nice tight handle. If that doesn't correct your problem, what could happen is that there are some plastic washers that are located between the handle and the glass. Those might have been lost if the handle had been removed. So you could look to make sure they're in place. If not, find it, put it back on. They could also become cracked or broken, in which case you would need to replace them. Another thing is that if that handle was loose for a long time, then those posts that we saw earlier may have become so worn that the set screw can't get a good grip onto it. In which case, either the post would need to be replaced or the whole handle. Just simply go to your shower door provider, Wolverine Glass here, and we can get you a replacement. that either our technicians can install, or as you've seen how these go together, you can install yourself at your home. I hope that this video has been helpful. For any of your shower door or glass needs, please reach out to us on our website, Wolverine.glass, or give us a call at 734-426-5600. You can also visit us at our showroom 8 to 4:30 Monday through Friday.